In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Chrome extension. We'll walk through adding an extension on a PC or laptop using the Chrome Web Store, and I'll also show you how to find it after it installs and keep it handy for quick access. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome. Then head to the Chrome Web Store, which is Chrome's official gallery of add-ons. You can get there by searching for Chrome Web Store or by following a link from Google's results. Once the store loads, use the search box to look up the kind of tool you want, maybe an ad blocker or a VPN. As you browse, take a moment to read the description, check the star rating, look at the number of users, and glance over the permissions. This helps you confirm that the extension is trustworthy and fits what you need. When you find the right one, click its listing to open the details page. In the top right of that page, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will appear explaining what the extension can access. Review it carefully, and if you're comfortable with it, click Add Extension to finish. The installation happens almost instantly. After it installs, Chrome places the extension near the address bar. If you don't see a new icon right away, look to the top right corner for the puzzle-shaped icon. Click that, and you'll see a list of your extensions. To keep an extension visible all the time, click the pin icon next to it. Pinned extensions sit on the toolbar, so they're only a single click away whenever you need them. A few important notes before you start using your new tool. Only install extensions from developers you trust, because many extensions can read and change data on the sites you visit. That's why those permission prompts matter. Also, if you're on a school or work computer, system policies might block installing new extensions. If you see an error or the Add to Chrome button is grayed out, that's likely the reason. Finally, extensions can't be added while you're browsing in incognito or in guest mode. Switch back to a regular Chrome window under your normal profile to install, then return to your tasks. And that's it. You've added a Chrome extension from the official store and pinned it for quick access, all set to enhance your browser with the features you need.